In this question, we have to determine the polynomial represented by the algebra tiles. So first off, note that we do have a legend here. So our positive tiles are shaded and our negative tiles are not. So what we've got going here is we've got, first off, a positive n squared tile. We've got another positive n squared tile here. Then we've got a negative n tile to start here. Then we've got another negative n tile next to that, and another negative n tile next to that. And we got a positive ones tile there. So the polynomial in total we're looking for here is 2n squared minus 3n plus 1. So looking at A, we've got negative 2n, so no, that's not going to work. We need negative 3n. Looking at B, we've got 2n. Okay, that's not going to work. Looking at C, we've got a negative 2n squared. That's not going to work. We have a positive 2n. So for D, we've got 2n squared minus 3n plus 1. Checks all the boxes we need. So the answer is D.